Leah Kiser. I am a painter, and I have lived in Casa Grande for about 10 years now, and didn't really start painting until about 2014, I think, is when I finished my first oil painting. But prior to that, I did a lot of drawing, and art has been my passion since I was a child. I think I've been a member of the Art Association since about 2014. At the studio tour, I will be showcasing my current body of work, such as this new piece. This is my newest piece. It's Plight of the Jabberwocky is the name of it. And it actually is it's a good example of my current body of work, which entails kind of lighthearted humor combined with kind of a more serious painting style. It's kind of a fun combination of silliness and seriousness. I will be located at my studio at 3128 North Sandy Lane in Villago. So come check it out there. I'll have my current body of work as well as pieces that I don't normally show at shows, and works in progress and stuff like that.